Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my today's live trade and also I'll be telling you how I was able to make profit today. I'll be showing you my trade logic and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, yes, right now I'm short selling Reliance in the market level now around 9434 to 9435 level. So I just short sold now. So yes, the stock opened today around 2434 and it made a high of 2442.60. If you guys can see, it was a big spike and then the red candle has been formed here. I mean, you can see there was not much of a bias here, so that's why as a short sold now. So according to my strategy and according to my unique study, so I thought that this stock can go down today, and the market is also not much of a bullish here. It's just 0.04% up. Even the market looks a bit of a bearish here, so that's why I short sold Reliance now, and I'm planning to take the target after like 7 to 8 points. Let's see how the movement will be. As the stock is about 2000 rupees, we can expect like 10 points movement easily in this kind of stocks. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform. So right now it's trading around 2432. The low made as of now is 2432, and if that low gives a breakout, then we can expect some of the fast movement to happen on the short selling side, is what my view is. Okay, so according to my strategy and according to my views, I have short sold Reliance. So yes, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy, guys. Okay, not only the strategy, you need to manage your uh, capital very correctly, and also you need to know when to exit and when to enter a trade, so all these things. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So in my course I'll be guiding you all these things. Okay, so I'll be telling you how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading in a very unique way and a simple way. So we don't use any indicator in our trading system. So in our trading strategies are very simple and very unique. So we trade without indicators, and if you guys wish to learn all these unique techniques and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what is spent in a month for eating your favorite snack or a fast food. Okay, and also once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance as well every single day. So you can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I have uploaded. So you will get the same trades and you will be able to make same kind of trades once you join us. Okay, you can start with minimum 5 to 10,000 capital and earn up to 1000 per day. So I'll be guiding you all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading once you join us. So guys, yes, now we are back to the trade, and the stock as of now is trading around 2431 and the low made as of now is 2430. So yes, let's see how it will perform. So once I take my exit, I'll just update you guys so you can continue to see the live trade how it's gonna perform now. So I'll just take my exit around 2425 or somewhere around there. So 2429 now, so almost close to the target. So 2429 is the low made, 2428. So guys, we're getting closer to the target. And guys, yes, if you guys wish to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit, you can join us. So the trade what we are taken right now is also based on my unique strategy, which we are trading without indicators and which is very fast as well. Just by spending 15 to 20 minutes per day, you can do a trade. Okay, so one single trade can be completed by spending just 15 to 20 minutes per day by using my unique kind of strategies. So I'll be teaching you all of these things. So guys, yes, the low made as of now is 2425. So I'll just take my exit now and I'll update you. Okay, so as you guys can see, the stock has made a low of 2422 now, so almost 10 plus points have been captured here. So I just took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Reliance. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.